guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are doing a Sephora haul, right? Yeah, everything's from Sephora. I was looking through the recommended suggestions that you guys had for our videos, and a lot of you guys said hauls, and we really haven't been doing a whole lot, especially makeup hauls. It's been a while since we've done one. So we did a little shopping, and we have a few interesting new makeup items. Yeah. Right. So let's just get started into the video. Okay, so first we have, and I'm really excited about this. This is the Too Faced Boss Lady Beauty Agenda Best Year Ever 2018 palette. Bundle? It's like a bundle. Yeah, bundle. Yeah. So this came out 2017, like December-ish. This was a part of like their Christmas special items limited edition thing. And we also talked about this in that holiday gift guide that we did. Yeah. You know, one of the items that would have been a good gift, I also low-key really wanted it. We finally got it. In this agenda, it comes with the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Matte Longwear Lipstick. It's in a really nice color. This color is called Sell Out. Just really nice packaging. You know, the Too Faced melted lipsticks were like super popular. Yeah, everybody loved them. I've never even tried one, so this is my first one. I'm pretty excited about it, and it's a pretty color. It is. And then it came with a mini Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. You guys know this is like the best mascara on the market in the world. So, yeah, it is so it gives your lashes a lot of volume, and it just makes them look really long and stuff. Okay, now for like the big kahuna of the bundle. This is the agenda. Don't let today be a waste of makeup is what it says on the front. See, Too Faced always comes out with these little collectible things. Like Too Faced released like a pair of heels that was like $600. But like, if you're a Too Faced fan, this stuff is for you, you know? Okay, so it's like this little book. It zips around. It has like this little tassel. I haven't taken it off yet, but it's just super cute. And then on the back it says Best Year Ever 2018. And then inside, it opens like a little book. You have like a little mirror, a little pocket, just like the prints inside. It's really cute. And then like for the main attraction, here's the palette that it comes with. This says just Best Year Ever 2018 Too Faced. This is the inside, a really nice palette, a good mixture of colors. You have a good mixture of cool and warm, and it also comes with a highlighter, a blush, and a bronzer, which actually looks like it'll be dark enough for me, so yay. And it comes with 24 really pretty shadows, and it also comes with like a little calendar planner, and it's just so cute. Like, first of all, it's not attached, but it can be removed in here. And then even when 2018 is over, you could still use this if you want to hold palettes or, you know, 2019 calendars, whatever. You could use this for travel a long time. Yeah, because on this one it doesn't say Best Year Ever 2018. It does. It's on the back. Oh, well, it's on the front, so yeah, you can reuse it. But like, it's more of like a memorabilia piece, you know, like I was telling Ashley, some people like to just collect things like this, and it's just, you know, even though it says 2018, it's just a remembrance, you know, of what Too Faced did. But this is like the little journal, so cute. Honestly, I don't use stuff like this, but I think I might, just because I'm gonna use it for this year. You can put your name. It has stickers. This is so cute. Oh my god, I'm actually gonna use this so I can put the stickers in there. Aww, it just has really cute stickers. Like, it says goals for the new year, and then they also do have like really cute pages in here, like tips on how to apply like makeup, like where you should contour. I've never really seen a brand do anything like this with makeup, so that's new, that's revolutionary, that's different, and I appreciate cute stuff like that, so that's why I really wanted it. All right, moving on though. All right, so next up we went out and bought the Fenty Beauty, I believe this is called Bomb Baby, which is the mini lip and face set, and this has the Fenty Beauty Bomb Gloss, a mini version, and the Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby highlighter. This is not like the duo one, it's just Hustler Baby and this highlighter compact. I really did want the Bomb Gloss, and I really did want a Fenty Beauty highlighter that was like everyday, a wearable color, because right now I only have the trophy wife one, and everybody knows that's like really yellow and really green, and it's
not
just
not
practical for everyday wear. So I really did want to get a nice, you know, subtle color, because I really do like the formula. So I actually did not know they were doing this at all.
I did, but it's on the website, the Fenty Beauty website.
All right, well, I didn't know. And this is a little set that they have with the Bomb Gloss and a Hustler Baby highlighter, the mini versions, and they come together. I don't think that it comes with any other highlight besides Hustler Baby.
That's the only kilowatt that they did this bundle with. And
it was only $24, which I think is a pretty good deal.
Because the gloss alone, full size, is 18. And then I think a highlighter
kilowatt
alone is probably 24 alone.
Maybe? I don't know. But I feel like this was a good buy. And I never really do need the full size of anything. Like, I don't always end up using it all. So I think minis are just practical, and I'm very excited to use this highlighter. And
however, if you have carpal tunnel,
I think I might have that. I think I might have that. I think I do, because I have a hard time holding little things and my hands just start cramping up.
Alright, next we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills blush kit. I kind of always wanted this ever since they came out with the glow kits, you know, like the ones with the 4-panned ones. So yeah, this is just the blush kit. It's Gradients. It has 4 colors: Vegas, Dusk, Chocolate, and Blackberry. I'm gonna open it up so you can see what it looks like.
I'm a huge fan of blush. All before I never really liked wearing it, but now I get it. Like, it really pulls the whole face together. So I really did want a little blush kit. I think it's so pretty. The packaging is beautiful.
Yes, just a nice like collection of colors. And honestly, realistically, I'm probably not going to use all these colors as a blush, but you can use them as eyeshadows too.
I love how these blushes are like brown girl friendly.
Yes.
You know, there's deeper shades that are going to work on darker skin tones. I could appreciate that, so I felt like I had to get that. Next up, we picked up 2 of the Fenty Beauty Mattemoiselle lipsticks. I'm kind of late on this, honestly. I'm super behind, but
I wasn't sure if I wanted them, to be honest.
Yeah, but Fenty Beauty, if you don't know, Fenty Beauty dropped how many lipsticks? 14?
I don't know.
She dropped a lot of really pretty matte lipsticks.
Yes.
They come in crazy colors. For some reason, they have literally worked on every single skin tone that I've seen somebody try them out on.
I mean, that's a little bit of a stretch.
No, but like they're literally like universal shades. Like, this green looks good on everybody. The blue looks good on everybody. Freckle Fiesta and orange looks good on everybody. Like, it's crazy.
Okay.
Like a little lip liner, I think you're good.
All right. Okay.
I'm just saying. Sorry, I was getting really aggressive. We only picked up 2 colors. We got Clapback and Midnight Wasabi. They're 2 of like the few really crazy shades. This one here is the crazier Wasabi. They are so tiny.
They are very
I think
tiny.
it's how much product do you get in here? It's quite a bit. I'm not rolling it all the way up, but
I like the packaging, the detail.
So cute. I guess I kind of like that it's tiny. It's really skinny. I guess that's because it could just get, you know, all up in the grooves, and it's really easy to apply. But this is a really tiny lipstick, and I don't know if I feel like I am getting, like, I'm paying too much for something so little.
Well, it was $18, which I don't think is a bad price. I mean, I think that's,
I guess,
it's
like,
fair.
I feel like, is it tiny because Rihanna wanted it to fit into your purse, or is it tiny because Rihanna was being a little stingy?
I think it's fine. But to each his own.
Alright, to each his own, that's right.
Just saying, these colors are weird, but they look good on so many different people. We'll put up some pictures from the Fenty Beauty page. Rihanna wore Clapback. There's a picture of her on there. She looks amazing. She looks amazing in all these colors.
SZA wore Midnight Wasabi.
Yes,
it was
SZA
so
wore Midnight
pretty.
Wasabi. She looks so cute. A lot of people thought that she looked like a GTA prostitute, but you know what? We're just gonna ignore that because to me, she looked great.
She looked amazing.
Raven Elise also wore Midnight Wasabi. She looked great in that.
Fenty Beauty reposted her picture, which I thought was really cool and really nice.
Yes. So next we have the Benefit Kapow Cream Gel Brow with Brush products. Honestly, we got these for free. I didn't
choose these?
I didn't. You know, like sometimes at Sephora and Ulta, they just throw a little sample in your bag or a little, you know.
I think you go, girl.
Yeah.
I think you'll
like
it.
But honestly, it's not even my shade. It's really brown. I wear darker, almost deep brown, almost black brow gel. So honestly, I might just save this to put in a giveaway when we hit 1,000 subscribers. By the way, we are close. Currently we are at 860, which means we're almost at 900, which means we only need 100 more to get to 1,000. So please subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. We are almost there, and do not forget that we are doing a huge giveaway once we reach 1,000 subscribers. And when I mean huge,
bigger than
the 1 year on
YouTube one, and that one I think was the biggest one we've ever done. So
yeah, it's gonna be insane. So
let's
hurry up and get there so this could happen.
Training, you gotta hurry up.
All right. And last but not least, we just restocked on the Fenty Beauty primer. I love it. You already know, like, there's nothing special. There's nothing more I could say about this. You guys know how we feel about it. It's great. Fenty Beauty No Filter, Pro Filter primer. It's amazing.
We also, I forgot to like put this in the bag because we actually used it today, but we did restock on the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. We wear shade 380. I like this foundation a lot.
So that's what's new to our makeup collection. Those are the recent pickups.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. We love doing hauls. Let us know if you would like to see any other haul videos. It doesn't have to be makeup related. It could be clothing, it could be shoes, it could be bags, whatever. Hair products, skincare, you name it.
I really do listen to your suggestions. I literally do all of your suggestions. Like, I try to just give you guys what you like. So
yeah, with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.